Have you ever wanted to see all RX8 body kits in one video so you can easily find inspiration to pick up the one you like? Or have you seen a body kit on Instagram but you didn't know the name? Well, to respond to that, I decided to make a video where I showcase all RX8 body kits, or at least try to get as many as I can, so you guys can get the perfect inspiration of body kit and color to build up your RX8. So I kindly invite you guys to take your phone and make a couple of clips of your RX8 so we can feature them in the video. But to make the clips, there are a couple of rules. The first rule is that you must shoot the video when it's day, not night. The second rule is that videos must be horizontal and not vertical, so shoot them like this. The third rule is that video is preferred, so no photos. And to help you guys shoot the videos so we have the same consistency throughout all the videos, I prepared a simple guide on how to shoot the clips for this video. They're very simple and easy to follow and will give a great end result if we get the consistency throughout all the clips. And the fourth rule is that once you send the clips of the body kit, please write the name of the body kit so I can categorize it correctly. An additional detail that I would like to add is that if I get 10 red RX8s that have a Mazda speed body kit, so the same color and the same body kit, and I get 10 submissions, unfortunately I will have to pick only one. Once you finish filming the videos, you can send them on Google Drive, pCloud, Dropbox, or WeTransfer. I will leave my email in the description where you can send me the links. Submissions will be open until the end of May. If you have additional questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'm really looking forward to this video to see all RX8 body kits that I still haven't seen. This is it for this week, but stay tuned because next week I will be installing a new part on my RX8, so prepare to unscrew it with your hand and take it out.